Hey creators, it's me, Sarah T, and today we're talking glassware and CO2 lasers. Engraving glassware can be one of the trickiest tasks to perfect because of factors like type, quality, and shape that all make a difference. Add in the many variables of laser machines and it's easy to see how frustrations can arise. But don't worry, I've got a few recommendations to help create a stunning decanter set just like this one. First up, using Blazer Orange on your pieces. This material is primarily designed for sand carving templates, but it works just as well with your laser. Adding this quick extra step of masking the engraving area helps avoid chipping, flaking, or fracturing during the engraving process. I recommend cutting it down to the size of your design, then using your hands and a squeegee to remove air bubbles. Thanks to its repositionable property, you can remove the carrier sheet and smooth out any remaining bubbles afterward. Blazer Orange leaves your mark smooth to the touch, which is especially important for glassware that will be frequently handled and washed. Here's a side-by-side comparison. The same glass engraved with the same settings, one with Blazer Orange and one without. Next, opt for stationary engraving whenever possible. Some glassware shapes naturally lend themselves better to stationary engraving over using the rotary due to their design or sharp edges. For example, this Polar Camel decanter set features glasses with flat sides, perfect for personalizing. When setting up your glassware, level and secure are the two most important factors. Using items from around your shop or pre-made Rackstar fixtures from JDS will help you create an even surface for engraving. All 4 glasses from the set are placed on my Rackstar frame with a fixture. They're level, secure, and ready to be engraved before being swapped out for the next set. For single items, I recommend using just center engraving. This method lets you level your piece anywhere in the bed, then use the laser pointer to find the center of your artwork. Set your home for each piece, ensuring consistent centered placement every time. Finally, always test your settings. This applies to any material. Have a test, or as I like to say, a burner piece of glass on hand. Use it to experiment with different settings and fine-tune your engraving for your specific machine. Testing smaller areas with various settings is key to achieving the best results. For more information or to check out the items used today, visit us online or give us a call at the number below. Thank you, and until next time, keep on creating.